You're on CBS.
Building America Ion Business is brought to you by Sprint Spectrum, the all-in-one communication system that goes with you, and by Silicon Valley Bank East. And now, here's Len Dybert.
When Time magazine named Andrew Grove of Intel its Man of the Year, it also said the story with the most impact on this decade has been the growth of the new economy. That growth has been propelled by the power of the microchip and the power of technology to enhance productivity and profits. Around the world, an estimated $900 billion were spent on information technology last year alone. Today, Building America profiles a regional firm which uses information technology to ensure a return on investment for its customers.
When that bell starts ringing, it means good news for GMSI, Global Management Systems Incorporated. GMSI staffers rally to hear the latest success story for this Washington area high-tech provider of information technology solutions.
Hilton, on behalf of Crestar Bank, we're very pleased to provide a $10 million credit facility to support global management and its growth in the upcoming years.
Thank you, Mike. We certainly like to thank Crestar Bank for supporting us in our strategy for going forward, especially with our acquisition strategy, since we've had such big plans on growing.
Growth, phenomenal growth, is the story of GMSI, which designs and supports complex computer networks, websites, help desks, and document management.
Our success is really hinged on the people that we hire. We provide services to our customers, and the service and the knowledge that are contained inside the employees are what makes GMSI successful.
The growth has been fueled by GMSI employees focusing on the customer.
We're really interested in doing something with technology that'll provide them a return in their business. We're not in it for technology or technology's sake.
Hilton Augustine was an outstanding salesman for IBM when he launched the company from his kitchen table in 1988. GMSI hit the $1 million revenue mark 4 years later and soared to nearly $20 million in 1997. That ranked GMSI 83rd on Inc. magazine's list of the country's 500 fastest-growing private companies. GMSI also made the Washington Business Journal Fast Track 50 and the Maryland Technology Fast 50.
Therefore, you can say, with X amount of dollars you invest in GMSI, we'll have this kind of return in productivity or speed or increase in delivery of your product or service.
The fact that we can actually help customers solve the little problems that help them to do their job more efficiently is very satisfying.
Professionals like Jamie Langston have helped GMSI build a reputation in the government arena. Now GMSI is aggressively seeking more commercial customers. Its commercial clients range from Reynolds Metals to Trusted Information Systems, Telligent, and Ariane Space.
And hopefully by the end of the year we'll see 50% more people in this room.
Yara is confident the firm can capture an even greater share of the commercial market.
Because we've selected a team that has, some of whom have federal experience, some of whom have commercial experience, and we're going to give them their heads. I think we have the spectrum of management experience to be able to pull this off.
That confidence stems from success on major contracts for DoD and other federal agencies, including the Federal Communications Commission and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. At NOAA, GMSI helped design, install, and staff the agency's state-of-the-art network operations center and website.
It's one of our biggest users, one of the highest hit sites, so it had to be ergonomic, fast, and efficient on getting the data to their customers. So again, here's one of the returns on investment. They're providing service to their customer in a more efficient and faster manner.
At the Pentagon, which is undergoing a massive $1.1 billion renovation, GMSI has nearly 50 people working around the clock, 7 days a week, on a broad spectrum of leading-edge IT services.
This should not only take advantage of the new technologies that the renovation program brings, but should provide both better customer services and less manpower and therefore less cost as we look to the future.
Throughout the firm's history, Hilton Augustine has tried to make GMSI a fun and rewarding place to work.
We want to be the ones to recover the lost art of true customer service. And I want to recognize those who exemplify that in the company. So we created the Top Gun Service Award.
Bomber jackets are the uniform of a GMSI Top Gun. Employees nominate their colleagues for the Top Gun jacket and other recognition.
If you're looking for a company that's lean, mean, focused, very goals-oriented, gives you a good, satisfying sense that I've accomplished something, that I've made a difference for my customer, for my career, this GMSI is where you want to be.
It really is a dynamic place. The culture is such that you can really thrive and really enjoy what you see, what you're doing.
They do care what you think, and they want your input, and they want you to be happy wherever you are. So I think that's probably the best thing about GMSI.
We care about succeeding together. And one of the ways that we're going to show it to our employees this year is offer them a form of ownership in the company.
Over the years, analyst Mark Greathouse has followed the progress of GMSI.
I think he's got a great team in there now, particularly a team that's been formulated to take him to the next level. He's doing the right sorts of things that are going to position him to kind of become the 800-pound gorilla.
In 10 years, Hilton Augustine has come a long way from working alone at his kitchen table. But he has a clear vision for the year 2000. Acquisitions, rapid growth in commercial business, and quantifiable return on investment for his customers.
We'd like every one of our customers to be able to document and state for any potential client what our return has been. That's our tagline. GMSI, information technology for business sake.
Hilton Augustine believes that through acquisitions and new business, GMSI can grow fivefold to $100 million in annual revenue by the year 2000.